Hi, this is Heidi. I own the store, Teachers Pay Teacher, the Lesson Pony, and this is winter solstice. I'll let you guess what day winter came here to Hidden Stables. Today I want to talk to you about filming the moon. Filming the moon is a great activity to do with your students. It's low cost and they'll learn about the phases of the moon. However, when you do it, the most important thing that I'm going to tell you in the video, and I'm doing it at the beginning, is you film the moon with your iPhone during the day. Below in my comments, I am going to have a section on how to film the moon at night. I don't recommend you do it with the students. You really need a very new iPhone or a 35mm camera, and a lot of students don't have it, so I don't like to put anybody at a disadvantage. When you film the moon, take your students outside. The best time to film it is during a gibbous moon. At a gibbous moon, if you look down the line between where it's dark and light, where it's light and dark right there, so you have the most contrast. The contrast is called the line of termination. It is here where the students will be able to see the most details of the moon. Have the students take their iPhones out. If they have a telephoto lens, have them put it on there. Take a picture of the moon, note the location, note how high up it is in the sky, and when you come into the classroom, crop it. You should get a pretty good picture doing this. At night, if you try to take moon photography, what happens is the contrast between the night sky, the brightness of the moon, the camera cannot, with the ISO on an iPhone, cannot adjust for both of it, and you'll just get a blurry dot. Again, as I said earlier, I will post below how to do it at night with an iPhone. I just don't like any student not to be able to succeed due to the lack of technology at home. Another thing you can do when you take the students outside, and this is an easy way to know which side is going to get larger on the moon. Whoa, you stand there. Okay, you take your hands and you put it out in front. If the right hand side of the moon is lit up, the moon will become greater. Right hand side, the moon will get greater. If it's a left hand side, tell the students you see the L, it's going to get less. Thank you for viewing. As I said to you earlier, winter came to us in the winter. In New England, you do not know how miserable it is to take care of horses and livestock in the winter. If you have any questions regarding my animals, how to take pictures with your iPhone, please let me know. I want to thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Also, more importantly, if you have any questions or anything I can help you with astronomy, let me know, please. I worked for NASA for several years at the Chrissy McAuliffe Space Station, so I do have a little bit of knowledge. I'll be glad to help you if I can. Thank you again for viewing, and stay safe. Good boy. Winter, come. 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 Come here, boy. Come. What a good horse. Come.